Okay mga ka-DJ, finally, ang ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao ay nagsalita na kung ano ba talaga yung real status ng kanilang laban ni Floyd Mayweather. Ito ba'y matutuloy na o may problema pa ito? Pakinggan po natin sinabi ng ating pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao.
Sir Manny, si Floyd ba, ano ba latest na kay Floyd? Di pa rin nagsasalita eh.
Kunti na lang yung we're fixing something na maliit na bagay na lang.
Kanina ba? Sabi mabog daw sa MGM. Totoo ba yun?
Nag-ano kami kasi medyo pagmahal, hindi masyadong not reasonable, di ba? Pagmahal masyado.
Pero real fight pa rin, real fight.
Of course, real fight.
So mga ka-DJ, basta malinaw ta, real fight, ibig sabihin counted to. Pag natalo si Mayweather, mamamantsa niya kanyang 50-0 na record. Ayun po malinaw dito.
Isang organization sa ating bansa para makatulong at makafocus doon sa mga professional boxers natin. Yung Philippine Boxing Organization.
Alam ko na pag-usap na sa PNC sa APA. What's it all about?
May kasi yung proposal about building the grassroots, helping the grassroots program. Sabi ko nila i-implement yung League of Destiny, Road to Greatness. So sabi ko dapat ang Philippine Sports Commission makapag-coordinate sa mga LGU para ang LGU magtulungan sila makapag-produce tayo ng mga magaling na boksingero.
So Mindanao, marami doon sa inyo.
Hindi lang sa Mindanao, but the whole Philippines.
And then you've got you're going to be inducted in another Hall of Fame, sa National Boxing Hall of Fame. Grabe, another karangalan para sa'yo. How does that make you feel? Ang dami mo nang
I'm
kasing
so
awards.
thankful to God because of this favor and blessings. Titles, awards, accomplishment. Okay yan siya, but the most important thing is our relationship to God. And the second is what legacy that what we can leave behind to the next generation
Yeah.
that can help them. Diba?
So you were saying kanina in your speech that really aside from all the awards and victories, what's really important is your relationship with God. Ngayon, how does that affect your hunger for the fight? Parang ganado ka pa rin ba na like before, or you're in a different level?
Boxing is a sport. So since this is sport, nothing personal. So we're doing our job as a boxer. But in a personal life, wala siguro tayong hindi natin kailangan magkipag-away, yung kumbaga magtanim ng galit.
Yeah. Manny, in your faith in God, right? You're saying that like a boxer, di ba? Yung training will get better and better and better. In your faith in God, when you say that you're growing even more now, what's your stage sa faith mo ngayon with our Lord?
Ang akin kasi is, what else that you want to accomplish in life? I mean, okay, let's say you want to reach your goal as a world champion or to become a super powerful man in the world or super richest man in the world. But after that, after you die, where are you going? So yan ang importante kasi lahat naman dito temporary lang yan eh. What we have right now, we are just steward. You know, we are just stewards of God's grace in its various form. So, but the most important thing is our relationship to God.
And you're still always
The question is, pag natapos yung buhay natin dito sa mundo, what kind of a person ought you to be in the sight of God?
Thank you very much.
Where are you going? Are you going to hell or going to heaven?
what would you like God to say to you when you get to heaven? Ano yung gusto mo marinig mula sa Kanya?
Siyempre, I want to hear from the Lord yung marinig sa Kanya yung well done, good and faithful servant. Although we cannot please everybody, as long as tama yung heart mo, tama yung ginagawa mo sa mata ng Panginoon, what I'm doing now is I'm not pleasing people, I'm pleasing God. So, but I'm so thankful to those people who believing in me, who trusting me. But those who doubt and don't believe, okay, I'll pray for them. Ang akin lang is yung legacy na dream ko, pinapangarap ko sa sports. Natupad ko rin yung legacy ko. Natupad yung legacy ko sa sports na maging world champion, but the legacy that I'm trying to accomplish is yung legacy na makatulong at maging inspirasyon sa mga susunod pang henerasyon.
Yeah.
So yung mga ka-DJ, malinaw naman yung sinabi ni Manny Pacquiao na may mga maliliit na bagay na lang na inaayos. Ibig sabihin talagang 99% matutuloy ito, no? So tuloy na yung laban at niliwalag niya na ito ay real fight, hindi exhibition. At dito sinabi rin ni Manny Pacquiao yung kanyang talagang hindi mahalaga yung kanyang mga narating, yung mga kanyang accomplishments, mga awards, titles, kundi yung relationship niya sa Panginoon yung pinakamadali. Sabi niya nga dito, ang buhay natin ay pansamantalang temporary lang tayo. So, meron pang another life na naghihintay sa atin. Yun nga, saan tayo mapupunta raw, sa langit or sa impyerno. So, napakaganda na kanyang sinabi. Bagamat siya ay matagumpay, napaka-popular, mayaman, nasa kanya na lahat, pero nananatiling habang ang ating pambansang kabayan. So pansamantala dito naman natin puputulin at tuloy tututukan natin ang development sa Pacquiao versus Mayweather rematch. Maraming salamat, hanggang sa muli. Ito po si DJ Master.